me again. Got a huge tool haul this time. Huge tool haul. Not really. I paid $1.25 for this stuff, so couldn't go wrong here. Got a hammer. It's got a little bit of a kink in it. That only needs a new handle. I'll clean it up, and a certain person on a certain YouTube channel by the name of Arco might be jealous. Got another one for a quarter, 25 cents. 25 cents for that. I couldn't go wrong with that, whatever. Picked up a screwdriver for a nickel, or quarter, I mean. It's got a little bendy in it, but it's a black. I like these. The only reason why I picked these up because I like these handles. My ears itchy. I like the handles on this one. That was 25 cents. This one was 25 cents. I picked up two other things for $1 each, but I forgot to bring them. This is in a nice shape. I don't know who makes this. That looks like the snap-on ones, but I don't think so. It's got the little square thing on there, so you can wrench on it and snap the screwdriver if you want. Picked up this thing. Basically an old pair of pliers. I'll throw this in the vaporized vat. There's no name or anything written on it, but I was gonna keep all these, clean them up, and bring them to my trailer because I always need like a screwdriver and stuff. Instead of buying new tools, I'll just use some old ones in my trailer. So yeah, it's a little oldie. I don't know who makes it. There's no name on it that I could see. Let me check here though. Can't seem to. Let me light up my face here. Let's see this. I don't see any name on it. Is there something on there? Yeah, there's a little mark on there. Let's get the. Let's see. Mark of the devil. I don't see anything on there. No siree. No cigar on that one. Just a no name in the game pair of pliers. I mean, with some TLC and a, what do you call it? A little bit of love should come back to life. It doesn't even have the little like crosshairs on here, like little knurling, so it's pretty cheap. The other thing I got, which you can see here, is a Craftsman. Can't go wrong for a quarter on a Craftsman. In the later video, I want to see if this thing cleans up okay. See how it does. The filing edge here is knurled over, but for some reason I've been buying chisels like as if I need a chisel. Clean out the little grooves in here. I'm wondering how clean this would come. I'm gonna have to check on a few other channels because I'm not sure what you could clean this with. I'm like maybe acetone. I don't know. How do you clean this? Is it? Seems like it's kind of clean. Coming clean. I don't want to take the letters off. Right. Let's see what cleans up here. Probably scratching it. There's a couple little. Just take the. Maybe. I don't know. Cleaning the little threads in there, little round things. Some of the dirt off it. Some of the 100 years worth of somebody's pride and joy was sold for a. I actually know the place where I got this, the garage sale, the people selling it. The place used to be a body shop. And I know the husband passed away, and it's kind of sad because all his stuff gets sold for nickel and dime. I've bought a few things there in the past, and I don't know. Poor guy. They just sold all his shit for whatever. Like, I guess when you don't have children and don't have anybody to take care of your stuff after you're gone, they'll just sell everything. So make sure you have lots of kids, folks. Make sure you. At least if your kids, at least these days, if your kids need money, they could sell your crap. So anyway, I got that. Ta-da. That was my $1.25 yard sale find. Was this. I'll put a new handle on it. And 2 screwdrivers. Not bad. Wasn't as cool as the other big tool haul, but you know what? Tool haul is a tool haul, right? So, For all you people doing tool haul videos, I like watching them. If you have a channel and you have a tool haul video, let me know. I want to see. I like watching. Some of them are like, people get a little slow. They take this out and so 45 minutes later, they go through like 350 tools, and I'm like, okay, can't watch a 45-minute video of tools unless it's like some really old shit, and you're just like, hey, that's pretty neat. I did buy a. That's what it was. I bought two saw teeth setters. One's a cheap one. I think it's worth about $10 on eBay, and the other one is a. It says patented 18 something, so it looks. It seems like it's pretty old. Damn mosquitoes in here. There's like one bothering me right over there. So anyway, like I said, kill the mosquitoes. Don't forget to subscribe. Smack the mosquitoes. Smack the like button. Tell me if you like my channel. I know I don't have the greatest channel in the world. I'm not the biggest. But I don't have all the fancy shit. Sometimes I don't edit the videos correctly, and sometimes I forget. So, I don't care. Hope you like it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.